My name is Myles Gaisie and I am a dispatch operative. Typically my day is look at what there is to pick and ship and dispatch and all that. Probably go through some queries that are a bit too complicated, so need a bit of extra time, and inevitably get disturbed doing what I'm doing, so pick up something else. But yeah, mostly just picking and shipping and any little queries. I would love to write a song for either like a top artist or just like a hit musical or movie, something like that. To be fair, I'm pretty run of the mill. Like I really love like music and movies especially. Started doing my own reviews as well during lockdown. I sort of continued it on YouTube and stuff. But I guess thinking back in the day, me and my brother when we were kids, we used to make up our own sports. So we had this one called like floorball, where you basically hit the ball along and try and do a rally across the floor with a tennis ball. And we ended up breaking a few things, so we kind of had to stop that game.